The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries and spinach, then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Powerful 600-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend whole foods into liquid fuel for your body in seconds. 600W motor base, extractor blade, 24 ounces cup, to-go lid, lip ring and recipe book. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High-performance, BPA-free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited. Note: refer to user manual before use. Product built to North American Canadian electrical standards. Top reviews from the United States. Best purchase ever. Great power, quick machine. Great introduction into smoothie life for me. I kinda wish the cup was narrower so I could fit it in my car cup holder. But that's super minor. Overall very happy.